Alright guys, welcome back to yet another video. This time around we have another awesome package from our friends at Art Tribute. They make dog collars, guitar strap, camera straps, and many other products. Please visit them on their website art-tribute.com. Alright guys, let's open this baby up. Here we go. Alright, we have a guitar strap this time. That's pretty awesome. Let's inspect the box. Pretty similar to the last one. We got the back with their logo, brand name, and then the little quote or trademark: bring art to your daily life. Bottom part has their information: arttribute.com, Art Tributes on IG, Art Tributes on Facebook. A sticker at the very bottom part with the description of the product and a barcode. Alright, side clear. Just a stretch of the little design. Other side, same dealio. Bottom part clean, top part clean, just a sticker that seals the box. Front cover, we got a USA designs, made in the USA. Art Tribute logo in the middle of the box, and then you can see the inside with the clear plastic, the product, and Art Tribute as well. All right, let's open this up. Ooh, box is open. We got the product and some additional items, which is pretty cool. Let's see what's this. Okay, we got a page with instructions how to attach right here, and then if you need how-to videos, go to that website. And then this is how to do it on acoustic guitars, how to do it on electric guitars. That's pretty helpful. Not sure if everybody knows, I just sold my Gretsch. I had a Gretsch, fantastic, awesome Gretsch, but I upgraded to a new one. I have it over here. Let me see if I can bring it over. So this is my new Gretsch. Is a Streamliner G26 27T. I changed my older guitar for this one. I think this is a beautiful guitar, and I'm definitely gonna use that guitar strap on this baby. So keep a lookout for some photos with this beauty and the guitar strap that they just sent me. Alright guys, let's check out the product. We got the little paper holder over here. Guitar strap is right here. We got some fabric design over here, like a flower design. Inside is just black, and then on the other side no logo, and that's it. And you can adjust it from here. As you can see, you can adjust how tall you want your guitar to be. Let's check what's in here. So this is a neck strap button. If the guitar itself is missing the button, it brings its own, and you could put this between the strings at the head, you know, like this, and then tie it up over here. All right, and then the two items over here. So these are like rubber gaskets, I guess, that you put in between the button on the guitar and the strap, just in case it's not tight enough or snug enough. You can use this to make it tighter. You got two picks as well. Without music, life will be flat. Music pun. And then we got this one. Oh, it's pretty much the same. Music design on one side and a funny quote on the other one. That's what we got. Let's put this back in here. Be on the lookout for some photos and hopefully some behind the scenes as well. Alright friends, thank you so much for watching. My name is Javier Morales. This was the unboxing for Art Tributes. We got the guitar strap this time. Thank you, Art Trivius. Please follow them on socials and visit their website. That's it for me today. Don't forget to comment below, share, like, and any suggestions, please put them on the comment box. I'll be more than happy to read those and try my best to get the products that you suggested. And that's it for me today. I'll catch you guys in the next one.